What is going on, my lovely friends? Candace B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you're new here, if you're already subscribed, welcome. So glad to see your beautiful faces. I hope you are doing amazing. And thank you so much for stopping by my channel to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Today I am back with another trading video, live-ish trading video. I always say live-ish because it's like I'm not really live, like I'm not live on YouTube recording this, but I'm recording it for YouTube live, if that makes sense. Whatever. Definitely feel like one of these videos is overdue just because I have to sacrifice sleep now to do these videos, which is fine. I really wanted to make a video because I enjoy the process. I enjoy kind of showing you guys my setups, what I'm looking for, you know, and then taking the setup and whether it's a win or a loss. Like I like just showing you guys and, you know, relating. I like to have the conversation, see if you guys took similar setups or different setups, whatever the case may be. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing that right now. And of course we have lovely GJ on the screen as you can see, and it's Wednesday, August 24th, 12:13 in the morning. And please do not mind how crazy I look because I'm literally going to bed after I film this. So yes, so we're gonna do a top-down analysis, but before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to stop, scroll down and hit that like button. And also while you're down there, you might as well subscribe, stay a while, hang out with your girl. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe, I appreciate it. But yeah, let's look at the charts right now because I feel like there is a setup happening soon. Let's just start from the very top, monthly real quick. We are closing in on the end of August. I can't believe how quick August has been passing. It's actually crazy. I heard something about like how the earth is spinning faster or something. That's why time is moving quicker. I don't know, y'all. The world's come to an end, but we know that. Yeah, so as you can see, technically we are going in an uptrend essentially on the monthly if we're looking at all these, you know, previous monthly candles. But if we're looking at just the most recent ones, the bears have come in with some strength. Right now, it looks like August is showing a bit of indecision. You know, it's pushed up, it's pushed down, and now it's kind of hovering close to where it opened at the beginning of August. But since we have a bearish body right now, it's safe to say that price is pushing down for the time being. Let's go down to the weekly. So yeah, we see a lot of, I don't know, GJ has just been really annoying. Honestly, I've been getting burned a lot on GJ. I won't even lie because it's just, I don't know, just a lot of wick action. Like you can see these top wicks, like they're just crazy. But yeah, this week is bearish as we can see so far. Price did close last week as a doji, but that didn't really tell us anything. It doesn't really give us any indication. Sometimes a doji will, you know, give indication of a reversal or whatever the case may be. But in this case, I don't really see any significance to that previous weekly other than just simple indecision. And you know, price had opened around, I guess, like can't I see what? Yeah, it opened at 161.709, pushed up to 162.527, pushed down to 160.801, and now we're hovering at this 164.63 level. So yeah, we are pushing down. We are pushing down technically. Daily is starting out strong for the Wednesday. Really just gotta wait and see what's happening because this area here is not really showing us much. Like we're not seeing this. We're not seeing kind of that structure. We're kind of just seeing sideways movement right now. So maybe there's going to be a breakout. Maybe price is going to just kind of come down, fill this previous daily wick, and then kind of fill these levels here. Who knows? But let's go down to the H4 and see Wagwan. I always do this. Okay, so we see more lower high, lower low structure on the H4, which is nice to see. Nice to see that there is some sort of structure happening. So my bias definitely is bearish right now. I probably will be looking to take a shorts just now, to be honest. Let's go down to the H1. Yeah, we have the indecision candle. The 11 p.m. candle was showing that, well, it essentially pushed down and kind of pushed up, but then bears came in. So we are pushing down for sure. We are pushing down. I think I'm going to be looking to take a short, to be honest with you. Let's just get right in. Why dilly-dally? Why wait, y'all? Let's just take these shorts. I've actually been looking at the chart since 11, but I was actually booking a flight in the meantime and charging my camera. So I was kind of just like waiting for this breakout to happen, because if we go down to the, I'm gonna go down to the 5 minute actually. I was watching price from here, and as you can see, I was just waiting for it to break below. So it's doing that right now, which is great. Yeah, so let's just take some shorts. Yeah, I do. When it comes to this area, there is a bit of concern, but because the overall trend is down in the lower time frames, and then plus the monthly candlestick itself is bearish, and the weekly, they're all bearish. All the candlesticks are bearish right now. So, I mean, the fact that literally every candlestick is bearish, every candlestick of every time frame is bearish right now. I'm pretty confident to take shorts. So yeah, let's just enter some shorts, shall we? Entered at 161,437. And it gives a really decent stop loss entering here. Price is, or the stop loss will be above the 5 minute EMA. If I go up to the higher time frame, let's see. Yeah, prices, stop loss is essentially kind of close to just the high of the last hourly candlestick. So I feel comfortable having it there because of the fact that, like, if price does pull back and it pushes up, then I wouldn't even want to be in a trade where the candlestick is closing above the previous H1 in this case, that previous hourly candlestick. So we'll see what happens. You know, I'm expecting some pullback. I am, for sure. This is a little bit of a sticky area that I'm entering at. But if there is momentum, then price can definitely fill this area, and if I have to close early, I will. But I feel like in these cases, the best thing to do is just kind of lower your risk if you feel the need to, and kind of wait. But yeah, guys, what the heck? This is technically where I entered. So yeah, I entered at 161,439. By the way, I still get questions about this. If you guys are looking for a broker, I personally use Hanko Trade.
Hanko Trade is a true ECN broker that offers very low spreads and leverage up to 500 times your account size. What I really like about them is that they literally have such a huge range of trading instruments. Now, y'all know I love to trade GBP, JPY, but whether you want to trade currencies, metals, indices, crypto, they have it all. They also offer you the ability to use either MT4 or MT5, and when it comes to deposits and withdrawals, their process is super simple and efficient. So head to hankotrade.com to find out more, and thank you Hanko Trade for sponsoring this video.
So yeah, use them if you want, totally up to you, but I like them. Yeah, we'll see what happens. If this hits my stop loss, it is what it is. Honestly, I'm used to taking L's. But I have a bit of confidence in this trade. I really do. Because price has failed so many times to push up. Like, look how many times it's been just trying to push up, and every time it's just boom, pushing down. So price is trying to tell us something. I'm just trying to follow what price is doing as opposed to what I think it wants to do. Like, it's showing that it's failing to push up. It's failing to push the upside. Mind you, this could be the time where price just completely reverses and just shoots up. We don't know. But that's the point of risk management, which I need to do better at. I'll admit I need to do better at managing my risk. But yeah, I'll check back in, see what happens with this trade. It's now 12:21 in the morning, so I think it's time to go to bed because your girl has to go to the gym in the morning and all that. But I'll check in as soon as I can tomorrow, and we'll see how this trade plays out. Win or loss, I will definitely show you guys the result, because this is the reality of trading. And yeah, so see you guys in the morning. All right, so I am back. It is 12:14 p.m. now on Wednesday, August 24th. And as you can see, we unfortunately lost the trade. Guys, I was gonna say this one hurt, but it didn't really, because like, this is typical GJ fashion, you know? go hit your stop loss and then go in the direction that you want it to go in. Pretty much from that 3 a.m. push, London open, price just pushed all the way up to my stop loss while I was sleeping. Not much I could do about it, and then ended up pushing back down. But when I kind of review this trade and look in hindsight and question, you know, would I even have wanted to hold this trade up here where it had reversed? No, because what if it didn't reverse at this point? What if it just kept going up? What if it made higher lows, higher highs? Then I would be waking up and I'm in way more loss than I took from, you know, managing my risk. So things I have to remember when I feel like not using a stop loss, or when I kind of feel impulsive, is just like to remember that the market owes us nothing. You know, it doesn't need to give us money. It doesn't need to go in a certain direction that we want it to go in. So I'm not mad at the result of this trade. Yeah, now it's just kind of pushing back up. So it's essentially staying in this channel here. It's not necessarily giving us too much when it comes to the higher time frames, but on the lower time frames we see a lot more detail. But yeah, price is just kind of bouncing off minor zones and then kind of doing its own thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I think that I might try to film another one of these videos tonight, like going into Thursday. We'll see. Hopefully I get this video up to you guys today, which is Wednesday. But yeah, we'll see. It all depends on what GJ is doing. Let's look at the Dow real quick. Ooh, she's moving up. I think there was a zone that she just rejected off of. I don't even know if the Dow is a she. Yeah, this zone here. Beautiful setup. I mean, it makes sense, you know, price pushed down into liquidity and now it's pushing up very, very nicely. Very, very nicely. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by smashing that like button. Also comment down below, how has your trading week been going? Has it been going good? Has it been going bad? Let's talk about it. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, feel free to check out any of my other videos on this channel and my other channel, Candace B TV, where I vlog. By the way, guys, I have many fake scammer, impersonator people, impersonators, wow, impersonators on Instagram who are trying to, you know, create fake accounts and then reach out to people. I literally put my one and only Instagram handle at the beginning of every one of my videos, so there's no excuse for you guys following and like believing these people. I would never message you randomly talking about I have a course, this, that, and the third. I don't use Instagram like that. I don't reach out to nobody, like, unless you're my actual friend who I know and, like, you know what I mean? Like, who I grew up with and stuff like that, or family. Like, I'm not gonna just randomly reach out to you if I don't know you. So just use your common sense. Stay away from those stupid scammers who are clearly desperate and have nothing to do with their lives, which is unfortunate. But yeah, don't believe it. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video. Have an awesome, fantastic, splendid, splendiferous, all those words, day, week, and life. Bye.